Hey guys, what's up? Here's the site, and in this video I'm going to share the prompts and the process that has generated me results like these. So straight into the very end, because in the very end I have got another kind of a bonus tip for you that would help you and that would kind of skyrocket the way you're generating blog post or any sort of written content. So yeah, let's get into the video without any further ado. So this is the prompt stuff that I was talking about. This is the exact process that I use, and here is the process in action, if you see. And we will be talking about why this and not the general story. Why not just go on ChatGPT or Claude and say that, hey, please generate me, article on, let's say, XYZ topic and stuff like that. We'll be talking about that. The main reason for that is, first, we want to make sure our quality is at the best level. We want to make sure we are getting all the stuff that our competitors are getting, who are already ranking over there. So that's one of the main reason why we are not just going over ChatGPT and saying that, hey, generate me a 1,000-word article on XYZ topic. You're rather, if you start seeing the prompts, let me, so yeah, if you start the first prompt, that is extract LSI keywords from article 1, article 2 and article 3 for the seed keyword of whatever your title keyword is. Now what exactly this is, so we will be searching on Google for whatever keyword we want to focus on. For instance, best in years for singers, and we kind of going and we'll be copying the link of the top 3 websites who are already ranking and whom Google is already favoring. So we'll kind of going over those, and we'll be kind of copying the link of these and pasting into a to PDF converter. It's absolutely free. Just go on to this page, paste that URL, and this will kind of convert the URL to a PDF, because we need Claude to read our content, and as of now Claude cannot read the content from a specific URL. So that's the reason why we are kind of converting it into a PDF. So that's the very first prompt. And second prompt, based on article 1, 2, 3, you will leverage the EC, or mutually exclusive collectively exhaustive framework. And just to know, all these prompts, they're not mine. I have kind of honed them up, but I got these from internet already. So where I don't remember the name of that creator, but if someone's watching this and if they created it, man, props to you. We just took this and we kind of honed this up for our use case, because prior to this it was more of a generic all sort of stuff, but now we focused we kind of honed this up for a bit of a blog post stuff. So yeah, that's the thing. Coming to the prompt again, based on article 1, article 2 and article 3, you will leverage the MECE, or mutually exclusive collectively exhaustive framework, construct a comprehensive outline for a long form article on the given topic. Then you have to put your keywords here. Your outline should include a compelling second title for the piece, estimated word counts for each subsection. It will include all the FAQs and stuff like that. Then in this task, you will analyze the documents provided to create an optimal user-friendly structure that incorporates relevant keywords and semantic entities. Do not draft the actual article, only provide the detailed blueprint. So if I show you it in action, what we are saying that, hey, we have given you all these stuff, then give us the LSI keywords, and it has given us all the LSI stuff. Then we are saying that, hey, give us a blueprint based on all the inputs, then it has given us a really good input. Then if you see, what we are asking is, FAQ should not be more than 400 words. Please include more headings or decrease the word count for each section, and update the outline and share. That's the stuff. For instance, this, if you see, we kind of honed this up further, so it has given us better headers and structure, right? So then we are saying, write relevant words for section 1 in a conversation and engaging tone using markdown formatting. Why one reason? Because we can just copy it, paste it on Google Docs easily. Then feel free to write it in a formal tone and professionalism. You can just tune it up based on your use case. And then we are saying that use bolded words for LSI keywords. I just like to do that. It's going to be then aim to use as many as LSI keywords, because that's our main stuff. Then we have provided all the LSI keywords over here. And if you see the stuff that it has given, this is just the section 1 for your information. This is not the whole article. We've got the section 2 over here, section 3 containing all these all these crazy tables and stuff like that. And boom, we have got 4th section here, 5th, 6th, 7th, and then we have got another conclusion here. Then there's another one, and then FAQs. If you actually see this for your kind information, this article is also ranking on Google, and it has been ranking since last 8-9 months. So these stuff, when you actually put in efforts like this, it's gonna give you crazy results. I'm gonna be very honest with you. This is not your generic ChatGPT prompt where you just go and ask that, hey, did you generate me a 1,000-word article. Here you actually create articles based on what Google is already loving. So you kind of copy the stuff from your competitors or ranking, and then ask ChatGPT to give you a better article than that. That's the sole thing. Just a thing, or just a bonus tip I talked about. If you are someone who who is actually interested in kind of creating articles that are of crazy quality, you can also refer to tryjournalist.com. It's a fantastic tool. I've been using this since last 1 year now, and it's a tool that I love. But it's paid. Yep, if you can afford paid tools, yep, I would definitely suggest go with this. If you actually see, this tool is pretty much same stuff as we talk about, and that, but with a better things like YouTube embed, internal linking, and all those stuff. Plus the article quality, it's crazy to be honest. Plus it also gives you kind of images like these. So yeah, it's kind of doing the same stuff I talked about, but on steroid, where you can also get images, videos, tables, meta description, title, and stuff there. So if you want to automate at scale, this is the tool that I'm gonna suggest you. And now whether you should go with this or Claude, it's totally on you. If you have got the budget, I would highly suggest to tryjournalist.com. If you don't have any budget, Claude is for you. That's the thing. Claude again has got some limitations with words, so you might have to think about that, because if you're generating, let's say, 10 articles a day, you won't be able to do that. So it's totally on you. Both of these stuff that I showed you today, they generate crazy results. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Let me know if I've got any question. Leave all these prompts in the description, so yeah, you can check this out. And yeah, that was all for today's one. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Have a great